Hello. And this is a quick note about our masterclass that is coming up on the 5th of October about the essential oils that we've covered on the Fellowship of Essential Oils video vodcast. So I'm Elizabeth Ashley. I am a clinical aromatherapist with 30 years experience, and I am the UK director of the National Association of Holistic Aromatherapy. And I am joined by my colleague, Adam.
Thank you very much, Liz. Yes, I am the co-host of Fellowship in Essential Oils. I'm an author of several books, oracle cards, and meditations. I am a teacher and a doTERRA wellness advocate, and very, very passionate about not only the physical aspects of essential oils, but the holistic. So looking at the emotions, looking at the mind, and looking at the spiritual influences of the essential oils as well. Now, in our masterclass coming up, Liz, we're going to be looking at 6 different essential oils: lemon, grapefruit, lemongrass, clove, jasmine, and
Clary Sage.
Clary Sage. I knew I'd forget the 6th one.
You'd forget.
And this is a great opportunity for people to really dive in and, first of all, ask us questions that may come up as they're watching our separate episodes each week.
Yeah, and so what we'll do is down below we'll link to the episodes that we've already done. So what happens at the masterclass is it's a live event, cameras on and microphones on, and we invite you to ask questions about things that you are interested in that have come up from the videos. And we'll also be talking about some set topics. So for example, in our Jasmine and our Grapefruit videos this week, we've talked a lot about essential oils for weight loss, and we're going to be drilling down more into the mechanics of that and how we can use the essential oils to really further our weight loss journey. And likewise, Jasmine and Clary Sage, very good for when you're using in labour if you're having a baby. So if you are ready to pop soon and you're interested in knowing how to use the essential oils during labour, do come along as one of my areas of expertise, and you can have live conversation and find out exactly how to use them in labour. What else would you be talking about, Ad?
Well, from a spiritual context, we're going to dive in a little bit more into the full moon. A lot of times you see that it's a full moon in Leo or Gemini or Aries, and you might wonder, what does that mean? We're going to unpack that and then look at how do you choose which essential oils are going to be best for each full moon, and what do you actually do with them to help you get throughout the craziness of the full moon so you don't become a lunatic, and how can you work a little bit of magic with your essential oils as well?
That's great. And of course, we've been talking about the antimicrobial properties of clove and lemongrass and lemon. I just know that somebody is going to come and ask me how to repel an iguana with lemongrass. That's going to happen. I know it. But so, yeah, please do come along. And we usually go by time zones, because you might hear we're from different ends of the planet. So it's my time zone for a change this month. Be 7 o'clock, Adam?
Yes, it will be. Yep. So all the details are down below. You can see the link, and wherever you are in the world, if you can't make it live, you can send through questions beforehand, and everyone who registers and grabs their ticket gets a lifetime access to the recording. So you can go back, watch it whenever you want, listen to it whenever you want, and have access to that. What we love about it is it's not just us talking like on our episodes, it's interactional. You can ask us about any of the 6 oils, or if you've got a general question about another essential oil, a common one or a bit of a rare one, you can throw that question at us and we'll both tackle it to the best of our ability as well. So it's really a meeting of great minds, of essential oil lovers from all around the world, hanging out together with our crew. So we hope that you will join us for our October 5 masterclass when we dive into those 6 oils and whatever else bubbles up.
Very good. Yeah, so October the 5th. And if you want to know more about us, have a look at our link trees underneath. And Adam, are we going to be generous and give them the discount code this month, do you think?
No, I don't. Oh, okay, we will. The discount code, use that down below to get a cheaper ticket price as well.
Brilliant. I hope to meet you all soon. See you soon.
Take care.